Where Doug Road is.
This is the Black River.
All washed out. It's and it's right now it's overflowing. And we went over to Jackson Gore, and the road is washed out up there too. We couldn't get past
through a big puddle
underneath the tower. Underneath the the railroad trestle.
So floodwaters.
I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring, but
coming up on Doug Road.
Down there.
Where it comes off the hill, the road is completely washed away. You'll see it in a minute.
So I'll just
There's the stop sign. And the road goes up there.
Well, I'm worried about the golf course too. Did anybody get a chance get down there before it? Yeah. Yeah. Right.